Welcome back. Today is day number 25, and I've been printing something every single day for this entire year, and this is going to be a really fun one. This is a SpongeBob pencil holder. You'll want to stick around to see the whole thing in action. So it looks like everything is printed. I'm going to be using an instant adhesive spray and glue. This stuff you'll put on and then I'll spray it off to the side. It works really well. Then I'll just spray these with this, then you put it together and it locks together almost instantly. You get about 2 or 3 seconds to figure out where you want it, and then it is locked into place, so that's pretty sweet. I'm going to glue these two pieces together next. And I'm going to put this on here, so as we're doing it, it will kind of lock itself into place. That right there is pretty much the lower half. I got a couple pieces of red I've got to put on. Set that in there. We do want to make sure we get the hands the correct way. So make sure the hands are going the way you want them to so they're not weird looking. Then go ahead and stick them in. So just a little bit of glue there. We'll spray this piece. Does not take a lot of spray, and it works really effectively. What you'll notice is there are eyelash pieces there, so you want to spray it on this side. Go in and sit flat in there, so you will need to spin it till you find out where it actually goes. They are a little concaved. Don't know how well that's going to pick up on the camera. In firmly, looking good. Got his teeth still to do. This might be the hardest part. I probably shouldn't have glued this in yet so I could slide them up easier, but we're gonna make it work. So just a little bit of glue. So there was no mess up there. I thought it was a little bit off-centered, but that looks good. Set it down and on there. And your SpongeBob has come to life. SpongeBob looks really great. I love the detail and the precision on this. And then we're going to go ahead and load it up with pencils or pens or Sharpies or whatever you like to have in there. So I got some different writing utensils in there. And overall, this thing just looks really cool. Please let me know what you would like me to print tomorrow. I'm open to just about anything, as you can tell. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day.